silver? Let me see. Oh, you mean the spot price?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you buy any more on that dip?
Yeah, for a day trade.
Nice. Yeah, it's getting a buy signal perfectly on the bottom on the OTS. Did it tweet out that I was live?
Yeah, I actually bought on the dip when it gave the buy signal.
What time frame were you watching?
15-minute.
Yeah, that one's clean. Still not tweeting that I'm live. God damn this thing. Just picks and chooses when it wants to. Some days it works, some days it doesn't.
There it goes. I saw your tweet.
I just did it manually. I'm supposed to have a bot that tweets it as soon as I go live, but it's like a 50-50. Alright, AMD is really scary here for puts. The 15 is getting very tight. It's going to rocket in one way or the other. Either end of day or tomorrow. And if we go off what the trend is, it should be rocketing to the upside, which is bad for me, because I am shorting it. Intel looks good for us. Silver looks good. Tilray doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too good, though, either. Tilray is a time play, though. We have time on that. I put in a very high bid on a position. I'm going to post it in my channel. Putting in a high bid because I don't like it that much. So very small size on this. Both this here. I'll type it in chat. Let me see.
Yo, Deja, what were you saying about AMD breaking in one of the two directions?
It's getting very tight. Like if you look at like the 15-minute, it's not going anywhere right now. It's just completely sideways. But look at how tight it's getting. So I was saying either by end of day today or tomorrow, it's going to explode. And it looks like right now, if it holds this support, it should explode to the upside. But if it loses this support, it should nuke. But it's going to be a big move. I'd probably say 3 to 5% by tomorrow. Let me post that on Twitter. Hey, Icon, what's going on, man? The markets are selling here. Q's is pulling back. Dow is still holding. IWM still flying. Aaron, covered. Do you mean like when you hold the stock? Is that what you mean, Aaron? Or do you mean like a vertical? No, so I don't do covered, no. I purely trade options right now. I have no shares. I closed my long-term portfolio a couple of months ago. Yeah, so SPY is not looking too good into close if it loses this level here. Big range, 2 gaps below us. Failing volume support, failing 50 moving average, failing price action support as well. Pen's going here. Pen doesn't look too bad. FSLR is going as well. Look at FSLR. Thing's flying. MasterCard, Visa, not doing too bad. DocuSign up today as well. The Defend, DFEN, the Defense ETF, looks really good. Being carried by Boeing, most likely. Jesus, Boeing's up 5% today, dude. Fucking hell. That sucks we did not get filled yesterday. What a trade that would have been. Those always suck when you actually put in orders and you don't get filled. How are the sectors doing? Let's look at the sectors. Most green is the financial, then the Dow. Then you've got consumer discretionary. Worst sector is utilities. Tilray still holding support for now. AMD still holding as well. AMD 30-minute is starting to roll over. The thing with AMD is everyone is bullish. Like when I brought up shorting AMD, everyone thought I was fucking batshit crazy. So everyone is bullish on AMD. Even the call flow is extremely bullish. So if it does start to fail, it's going to be a cascade failure. And it's going to start to fill those gaps. Now, it's not going to nuke all the way down to like 60. That's not what I'm talking about. But what I am saying is when it goes down, it's going to go down fast. Like I said, if you look at the volume profile, volume node gap, volume node gap, volume node gap. And then as you go higher, the volume nodes are getting smaller and smaller. So the buyers are decreasing. So if you fail downward, you should be able to get that first gap pretty easily. So around 77, 78, 77. If it doesn't hold there, 70 would be the next target. I don't think it will go much lower than 70. So that would be a massive dip buy there. And then probably 100 by end of the year.
Silver's trying to put in a new high.
I think it'd be healthy if AMD pulled back here. If it pulled back, like I said, healthy pullback, it would probably hit 100 by the end of the year. Yeah, silver looks good. The daily on silver is really bad, though. It's a top doji. Yeah, this is a really nice pattern on silver. Just if you're looking at pure price action, no indicators. Puts in a new low. Small little doji, no new low. You hold that previous low. And then next candle puts in a new high.
Could that maybe turn into a cup and handle?
This, yeah, you could like cup and then handle, yeah. No, I'm not buying Tesla unless it hits that number that I was talking about. It is starting to get more bullish. But you have a lot of resistance above you, both volume-wise and price-wise. I'm not filled on any of my bids that I put out today. What do I have? 3 orders working? Yeah, I've got 2 orders working. We're not filled on either one.
Look what I found. I'm gonna post it in chat. I didn't realize it was a 40-year cup and handle.
Oh, God.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Perfect cup and handle on gold.
That's what I was saying, man. The long time frames are taking over.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's silver. I don't know why I was thinking gold, but gold, yeah, gold also, silver too.
Apple's starting to look better. Still just ranging, though. No real direction. Yeah, basically what John said, Brown. If you look in my analysis section, I have a... Here you go. Here's the chart. There's not a lot of analysis on it. Very simple. But that's what I'm watching for. I'll do some more analysis like that today as well. So after... it'll probably be late. It'll probably be around like 11 o'clock. But I'll look at some big tickers and give you guys some numbers. Man, Square got hurt today. So the sell signal on square, which basically told you were screwed, is gap up, long-legged doji that's already bearish, right, on the 1 hour. Inside bar, nothing really, no direction, but it put in a pivot, so slightly bearish. Then you had a bearish candle off the pivot, so you're failing the pivot, bearish again. And then really bearish is once you failed the daily low. Then you broke the daily low, so it was all bearish, basically. No new high, no new high. Pivot. You're outside the wick sniper as well. New daily low. See you later. So gold, here you go. Gold is kind of doing what silver was doing, just a little bit late. You put in a new low, but then it dojied, and then you have a no new low on this candle, no new high either. So you're setting up the morning star, and then you just had your new high. So you have a new 1 hour high on gold, and you're basically engulfing the previous candle. Not exactly an engulfing, but it's a very strong candle. Yeah, so you have a new high on gold. Not a new daily high, but a new local high. All right, John. 1735. That's a big number. What's it at now? It's at 1486. You better hope they don't have any announcements.
SR, their earnings call and everything is today, but their numbers were leaked yesterday.
Yep. Their numbers were leaked on Square. Is IWM still going? God, man. I cannot believe we got shaked out 1 day early. No excuse. That was just a bad trade on my part. It played out to exactly what I said it would do. I just mismanaged it. Held above the daily pivot, rocketed. I should have ignored all the low time frames and just played the daily. It was a beautiful bounce.
I'm going to be getting out of my silver dailies here pretty soon.
Yeah, silver is looking really good. Here comes a 15-minute pivot and the POC. So there's a lot of resistance here. For you guys on stream, the only trades that I closed today was my silver trade. I closed my silver trade and we rolled those out with our profits. We closed them for, I think, 80% or 90%. And then we rolled it out with the profits. That's the only close for today. We're trying to open up a bunch of new positions, but we're not getting filled on anything. Bank of America looks like an inverse head and shoulders, but you're on the top of a move, so not accurate. Yeah, 1 hour Bank of America looks really good. I like Bank of America better if it tests the trend, but it doesn't look too bad right here. Gap up, puts in a low, higher low, break of the high. Same setup that we see on gold and silver. Puts in a low, higher low, break of the high. The daily on SPY is looking really bullish if it holds like this. Perfectly bounced off the pivot as the low of the day. Goddamn, JMA's going deep. This man opened up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 positions. You had a 5K profit on Tesla, John? JMA, the big spread guy, yeah. SPY 337 incoming. Dude, it could be, man, if it holds this daily pivot. We have a big coronavirus gap above us. What do we say? 330, what is it? 335? 333. ES is 3338. Just a little bit. Yeah, it needs a little Trump pump, exactly. Look at how perfectly balanced that is. That should be in a fucking textbook. Has a perfectly balanced profile. Every single node. Look at it. Look at this. I'm gonna screenshot this. Every single node is where it should be. This is chart porn. Yeah, it really is. And not to mention, on top of that, we have a pivot on the high and a pivot on the low, which are both holding. That is a beautiful fucking chart. Yeah, John, it's like coiling up to that level. It doesn't want to get above it. AMD is going to be scary tomorrow for me. It's looking very bullish. 50 moving average is coming in to hold it up. The trail is holding it up. Look at how tight the price action is. It's ready to explode. Might just take some $100 lottos to cover my ass. How much are the 100 lottos if we go out to like September? They're only 210. They're not too bad. It's definitely a lotto for sure, 100%. August 21st, they are 50 cents. That's pushing it. You've only got a 10 delta on those. Thank God we're not looking at the 1 minute today. Jesus. Look at how bad the 1 minute is. I feel like I've gotten back like 10 years of my life this week from not staring at the 1 minute all fucking day. Hey, Swear, what's going on, man? IZ, I saw you calling it out. I keep forgetting to look at it. What is that, John? They got a contract with Microsoft. They're flying today. Yeah, the daily's flying. Yeah, once it broke that value area high, it rocketed. Yeah, be very careful, guys. SPY is moving on after hour, or not after hours, on power hour. The last week or so, it's moved almost 1/4% to 0.5% in the last hour. It likes to move on power hour. FSLR is still going. Look at that thing. It's on fire. Is anybody still in FSLR? We've been talking about that thing for weeks. That pivot bounce was just so damn clean. It's up 12%, 7 points. You're still in it, Kiff? Nice. Yeah, thing's flying, dude. The thing is flying. Boeing is still moving. I don't even want to look at Boeing at this point. We'd be up so much money on this if we got filled yesterday. $159 is where we tried to get filled. It's up almost 10%. Jesus. Run is running. Sun run. Oh yeah, look at Sun run still going. Jesus. Solar, man. Solar's on fire. Is this people pricing in a Biden victory? Overstock, Lotto's ripping. Yeah, I saw Yoda. Yoda tweeted about Overstock. He said, everyone's been working their ass off for the past few months. All they had to do was buy Overstock. Fucking buy Overstock and hold on. It's up fucking 500% in 3 months. Disgusting, dude.
I think Penn's gonna rip after hours.
It literally has not gone down since JMA bought the fucking lotto. It's straight up. What did he get filled at on that lotto? Let me see. I can't find it.
I am desperately close to getting out of silver. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this last little pump.
It's right on the POC and the pivot. This is a beautiful uptrend on the 5-minute.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, the 5-minute.
Yeah, if it breaks the uptrend, you could close it. But that uptrend is beautiful for now. Silver's been really clean lately. Look at these trends. That is like a perfect example of a market flip, right? Break the downtrend, higher low, and then create a new trend. Beautiful.
I was going for it. There it goes.
Still holding that pivot for now. If it gets above that pivot, it should be okay. Man, we still have not been filled on any of our contracts that we're trying to buy. Yeah, Bank of America looks really good on the 1 hour. Yeah, she's climbing. If it breaks this pivot here, it should be really good. Do we wait for the trend test on Bank of America? I think it's the smarter play. I mean, it's only fucking, what, 1%. Let me take a look at Bank of America again. They're basically the same exact price they were earlier today. They haven't really moved. Oh. Yeah, I can't decide. I think if I can't decide, it's probably not a good buy here. We'll wait till tomorrow, I guess.
There it goes. It's above the trend line now.
Yeah, it's above the pivot
Not
too.
the trend, I meant the pivot, not the trend line.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
5 and 15 above the pivot.
Oh man, I think no, that's not a new high day. I thought it was.
Very
It's close.
close. There's nothing above it. It should hit high of day. There is nothing above it. Is Overstock still going? He's going nuts. It's at 95. Jesus. What did JMA buy this at? Like fucking 88, 87? Yeah, I know. IWM, man. What a joke. We missed out on so much money there. Just one day we got shaken out. Yeah, they're at 370. We sold them at 190. We bought them at 240, so what is that? 370 divided by 240. That's a 55% profit. Yeah, I'd be happy with that. He's up 82% on Overstock. Nice. Netflix looks like it's putting in a head and shoulders in the 1 hour. Didn't really get a lot of volume up here. Yeah, AMD's looking scary. You perfectly held the POC. You held the trail. 50's below you. This thing might rocket tomorrow. Yeah, you're holding the 30-minute pivot. You're holding the 1 hour pivot, I mean. You're still very extended on the higher time frames.
Wants to pull back one more time, I guess, before taking off.
Markets are pulling back hard here. Here comes the trend. It closed below the pivot on silver. Not too good. Yeah, 5 and 15 are pushing below the pivot.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to get out. I'm not going to risk the whole day trade to make 2 more cents
Yeah,
on the contract.
definitely. In a good way? You said a stock pumped 2 cents before my stop? You mean in a good way? Hopefully in a good way.
Finally left for the day. Holy shit.
Nice. Yeah, I'm looking at that trade, J-May.
Which one, the Ollie?
Yeah, if it gets to 110, your contracts will give you basically 50%. Well, what's your max? No, so if it gets to 110, that's like halfway. It will give you about 200. Yeah, about 200 to $300 a contract. That's if it gets to 110. If it gets to 120, it will pay you fucking big time. That's when you start making big monies, when it gets that high. That's what I was saying about the spreads, is like when you look at the max profit and when you're doing a spread, the only time you get even close to that is if it's above your sell side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, of course. I mean, you wouldn't. You'd basically close it when you're happy with it.
Yeah. What'd you get filled at on that overstock lotto?
125.
Nice.
Pulling back hard, huh?
Yeah, the markets are nuking. I'm happy with that. Anything that pulls AMD back is starting to look a little scary.
I just closed the overstock lotto, guys.
I closed my silver.
Nice. Not a bad trade.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna risk it for 2 pennies a contract.
Yeah, it's not even lunch.
Yeah, I got a lot of spreads going right now.
Yeah, I saw. I was saying that earlier. You fucking opened up a shit ton of trades.
They all got protection, so I'm really not worried. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I'm only picking ones that have really good R&R. So worst case scenario, I don't even lose that much.
I like spreads in this market because the theta doesn't hurt you. It still hurts you in the way that as time passes, if it's not close to your strikes, you're getting bent over. But you're not getting killed by theta, like just burning you every day.
The long spreads. The
Yeah.
short spreads, yeah, the short spreads, the theta helps.
Yeah. That's what I mean. So one of them's helping you, one of them's hurting you. So the spreads are the theta is kind of canceled out for the most part. You're still feeling it a little bit, but nowhere near a naked trade. That's not true. You said unless it's lottos, there's basically no theta decay. Lottos have massive theta decay. Especially with short-term lottos, like really short-term lottos. Like if you're trading same week, you're getting destroyed by theta. Lottos probably have the most theta, to be honest. Because they're short-term and they're far out of the money. Yeah, Jamie, now my girlfriend's texting me and saying she might have somebody at her work that has fucking coronavirus. We've just got shitty luck, huh? Yeah, I know what you meant, Emiliano. Discord voice is down, is it really? Did that fix it? Testing, testing?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, there you go.
What happened?
The US East server was down. I moved it to south. I was saying my girlfriend texted me and said that somebody at her work might have coronavirus now.
Oh shit.
So we're all getting it. Fucking ridiculous.
I was saying right before we went down, I said, what a good fucking week.
Oh, it's been a hell of a week, yeah. Would have been really good if I got filled on Boeing, got filled on Netflix, didn't fucking let go of IWM. Probably be the biggest week in the past like 2 months. Besides that, though, Intel's coming back. We made money on silver. What else do we have? We had some SPY trades.
I just took one more spread here.
Holy
Update.
shit, the markets are nuking.
Awesome. I'm pretty heavy in SPY puts right now.
Yeah, Qs are falling off a cliff.
I think I sold that silver. Because it's dropping too.
Yep.
Gold isn't, though. Gold is holding. Silver doesn't look like it is. Well, kind of, sort of.
And hopefully this sell-off fills at least one of my fucking open orders.
I just updated my channel and Discord.
That was a new low a day, I think. Yep, new low a day. Right on power hour.
Watch it completely reverse.
Yeah, that's what I did yesterday.
That Ali fucking position. Same with the Walmart puts that I sold. I'm already up 26% on Walmart. Space up 10.5%.
You took a bullish play on Walmart?
Yeah.
I was trying to be bullish on that earlier this week and I missed my fill. Same exact trade that I've been talking about all day is that reversal pattern where you put in a new low, higher low, new high. Same exact pattern. We saw it on silver. We saw it on, what was it, SPY, I think, or one of them. New low, higher low, new high. Be right back, guys. I'm going to run and get some water before the close. There's your reversal you talked about. Yep, there it is. Be back.
recovered in one fucking candle.
Holy crap, what a reversal. God, this is
I can't see
crazy.
how Roku would beat if Netflix didn't. Because isn't Netflix way bigger than Roku?
There you go. Fucking new low a day, full reversal. It's almost that high a day.
Within 10 minutes.
This
Not less.
market, dude,
Within 12 minutes.
it's a penny stock. Tell me otherwise. You know what I mean? Like, this market is moving like a penny stock.
I kept 2 of my contracts and I want to sell them, but that part of me is like, is it worth it to hold it in case it rips in the next week? Because it's August 21st expiration.
This might go for a high day right here.
Dude, that would be exceptional. Pompeo says he's putting a new embargo on Iraq for arms. Let me pull it up.
Here it goes.
U.S. will put forth a UN Security Council resolution next week to extend the arms embargo on, Iran. Yeah, they're putting an arms embargo. They're extending an arms embargo on Iran. Defense contractors might be going up again. You saw defense today booming.
Literally, he's going to put in a new high.
Fucking low a day, high a day, same candle. Look at the hourly, dude. Look at how disgustingly. Look at how bullish the hourly is. What'd you say, toxic?
Yeah, here it goes. It's trying to put in a high day.
It's fucking toxic, dude. You're not wrong.
Toxic.
Man, that didn't fill me? Are you kidding me?
What are you trying to get filled on?
Fucking crowd.
Look at the 15-minute candle. It's about to engulf the whole day.
You taking a bullish bet on crowd, Deja?
Here, I'll post it.
Oh, is it? It's in your channel, right?
Yeah.
Sick.
Okay, I just got filled, guys. Just got filled.
Fucking toxic.
Is it a new high a day? Holy fuck.
IWM is just ripping faces today.
I got filled on the crowd play, guys. I had to lower my credit just barely.
When is crowd have earnings?
Not anytime soon.
Can't get filled on my Boeing to get out.
Did it just put in a new high of day?
Oh, it didn't. It didn't put in a high day.
%113% the past week.
On your account?
Yeah, I'm fucking ecstatic.
Yeah, that's fantastic, dude.
Yeah, that's really good.
That is fantastic.
But I sold all those silver contracts except for a couple of the June of next year ones. And I still have a gold November.
Green or red for the day, guys? In chat?
Yeah, let us know, guys. 2 days in a row, we've had almost every single person in here be green. Let's see what it looks like today.
Fork and
Who
knife.
did
I'm
the
guessing
fork?
someone's eating. Yeah, Facebook fucking shit hard today.
The more you guys are red than yesterday, but still majority are green. That's good to see. We've been having a hell of a week, man. You guys on the trial, man, you guys are getting it easy.
Yeah, because last week was brutal.
Oh, last week was rough. I'm on the streets because of Activision.
What's the emoji for starving?
I wanted to take an earnings play, but I'm trying to learn my lesson about overtrading and just be happy with what I got today.
That's what me and JMA were just talking about in DMs recently. Is we've been over trading, or I feel like I've been over trading, and I'm trying to trade less, but trade smarter plays. I've been over trading mainly due to the small time frames, which I'm ignoring now. I feel so much better looking at the higher time frames right now. Hey, Quinn, we'll see you tomorrow, man. Oh yeah, Roku earnings. What's Roku doing right now?
It beat it. It's going up.
Holy fuck! There it is, 5%.
Hey, I said because Disney beat, that Roku would probably beat. I don't trade earnings though. Holy
crap.
shit.
Anyone else get in that? Nice.
You guys are degenerates.
Fly guy put his whole account into it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Fly
Dis-
guy, you better post a fucking screenshot of that tomorrow morning.
Disney beat earnings, so it's a big sign that Roku probably would beat. I fucking hate trading earnings, so I don't do it.
I got burned hard on Tesla, and then I made most of it back on Disney, and I was like, I'm just gonna break out even and be done with it and never
Yeah.
do this shit again.
My girlfriend just went to go get a coronavirus test. She said she was having bad headaches and sore throat.
Yeah, I told
The
my
first-
girlfriend she needs to get tested again. She gets tested like every couple of weeks at her work.
The first thing, and I know this from my family members, the first thing that goes is your smell.
Yeah, I heard that.
That's
Like
like-
smell and taste. Smell and taste is the
Yeah.
big thing.
That's like one of the first things that went for everyone in my family who's got it. God, Roku.
It's still going. This is the Bitcoin bubble 2017. Just wait. Are you talking about on Bitcoin, or you're saying the U.S. market's trading like that?
Man, you have to be a complete idiot to buy short Etsy on earnings. I mean, considering everything that's going on and everybody's buying online and they've been raking in sales. But I
Dude,
figured
those
I
those
was just gonna
go ahead. Go ahead, Caesar.
I was just gonna say I figured that the implied volatility and the move up was gonna be priced in the options. That's why I didn't bother with it.
I was trying to get filled on an Iron Condor for a Roku, but wouldn't fill me. Those 160 IWM 160s, the Septembers are fucking on fire. Dime will get a fat tip if we hit 160. I have to buy him lunch too.
Oh, look at where Roku hit. I told you guys the targets for Roku this morning. You guys were asking about it. There you go. The 1618 final target, 178.53. Basically the top.
Oh, it's dumping now. What kind of?
Dime will get a nice fat tip, dude. Straight to fucking Wendy's.
Give him a Five Guys lunch.
$5 guys, that's too expensive, dude. That's like a fucking $30 lunch. USLT, you gave him enough for a nice Chick-fil-A salad? Nice Chick-fil-A salad with a large drink?
Do we have any trial members in voice right now?
See, trial guys, you start calling shit out, you get tipped lunch, man.
Delicious when it's free. You're not wrong, man. Emiliano said, I mean, Roku could benefit from the 100 million Disney Prime subscribers. Yeah, the Disney, I think they had 60 million subscribers recently. And we talked about that in Discord today. I said because Disney was killing it in streaming service, that Roku should beat earnings. It's weird that Netflix missed. Or no, didn't Netflix beat, but it wasn't good enough?
I just remember them tanking afterwards.
Netflix also spends a lot of fucking money. So their expenses are horrible. Roku's fucking tanking, man. He's just start coming back.
For a little bit.
Alright, man. We'll see you tomorrow. Congrats on your gains, man. You're killing it. Keep it up. Yeah, Roku's retracing, guys.
That's what happened to Activision yesterday. It pumped right when they released and just fucking fell.
Oh god, what if it comes out that Roku was fake? Fucking, they misreported. What is this market? Look at Roku. It hit our fucking target after hours.
What the fuck?
What's it down? It's down almost 10 points since the high. They beat, but their subscriber growth was pretty bad. Are you talking about Netflix or Roku?
Did you get some pretty good premium on that crowd, Deja?
Not really, but I put in like fucking less than 5% of my account. I'm trying to get the full credit though. I think it's good for the full credit. How did Bank of America close? Pretty strong. Not too
Dude,
bad.
fucking IWM's still going.
What the hell happened to my trend line on Bank of America? Why is it doing that? There we go.
Hey, real quick, have you guys seen Zynga?
No, is it flying?
Yeah,
Oof.
it's up 10%.
What, they have earnings?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they had earnings. That's why.
That's why I don't know how fucking every single other video game company is killed it except Activision.
Mm.
And you would think like Activision, I think, is like probably one of the biggest out there next to EA.
They had Call of Duty.
Yeah, exactly. Think
What-
about how many neckbeards spend money on Call of Duty.
Yeah, but
dude.
what failed was they released Warcraft Reforged, and it was dog shit, and it was hated by the community. They got a lot of bad PR.
Oh, the Warcraft 3?
Yeah, Warcraft 3 remastered. It was basically dead on arrival.
Yeah, because their Call of Duty did good. Fucking World of Warcraft Classic.
Yeah, the
All
Blizzard.
subs are up, dude.
Exactly. Blizzard is getting blasted. But Activision's doing very good. But they bought Blizzard, and now Blizzard's getting blasted by the community.
Hey, any of you guys in World of Warcraft Classic? I've been meaning to jump back in. I haven't played in like 8 years.
No, I did like, me and Sticky did like 1 month, and I called it.
I actually renewed my sub the other day, but I was like leveling one of my characters and it was taking too long, so I
Yeah,
just
dude.
fucking stopped playing.
I gave up at level 30. It's too much of a grind.
I'm level like 24.
I always want to like those games, and I try to play them, and I can't do it.
I was telling Castro that if they come back out with the Burning Crusade in Classic, that's when I start dumping the hours in.
Yeah.
What back when it was at its height, I was in a raiding guild where we literally raided every single day, and it was a grind because you spent all your free time gathering and making consumables that you use on the raids, and it just felt like a chore after doing that for like a year.
Yeah, I couldn't do
Can't
that
raid.
stuff. I can't grind. I can't play grindy games.
I just slap kids in arena.
And those raids would be like hours long too, and it was just so time consuming. You didn't have any free time to do stuff you liked. It was just raid, raid,
Roku's negative.
It went negative?
It went fucking negative.
No way. Holy shit.
ouch.
Oh my god.
It's still going.
Dog shit.
Where's Dime?
Holy
Where's Dime?
shit.
Dime, don't pretend like you're not here.
He's posting 7% fucking moves on Twitter.
You
Yeah,
better
don't
delete
send that money
yeah,
yet.
you better delete that tweet, Dime.
Don't send that cash app yet.
All right, guys, I'm out. I gotta hop in the shower. I got some shit I gotta take care of.
All right, man.
Yeah, me
Um,
too. I'm leaving for real this time.
All right.
Deja and Castro, I might be on tonight. I most likely will be on tonight if you guys are down to get some games in.
I'll be on
Yeah,
around like 11. If you're on late, it'll be like 10 your time.
Yeah, I'll probably be on around like 9 or 10 actually.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be
Okay.
on 9 your time.
Slap some kids around.
Sounds good.
Dude, that FAL dude, I was hosing kids down
Dude,
with it.
you should have seen me and Castro were playing shootouts. I was wiping people out. We were
It's
shitting
so
on
overpowered.
everybody,
It's
dude.
stupid.
Oh, it's so bad.
Hosing them down.
Yeah. All right, guys. I'm going to call it on stream as well. I'm going to hang out on Discord for a little bit longer, but I'm going to call it on stream. Appreciate you guys being here for stream. I'll be streaming again tomorrow, same time, 3 p.m. Eastern. We also got something special coming up for you guys on stream on Friday. So look out for my Twitter today. I'll be tweeting about it. We'll be doing something special on Friday. But I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, 3 p.m. Eastern. Peace out.